Let's wrap up this first game tutorial with a couple of tweaks on the background. Right now your background just has a color, and if you're in the base room under the rooms folder, you can actually just click on the color swatch. Right now it's gray, and you should see a dialog box of different colors appear, and you could just click on a color and hit OK and basically change the background color that way. I'm going to change it back to gray. However, you can also use images or graphics as your background. What I'm going to do is choose the background option, create a background option from the toolbar. Looks just like a little square graphic. Or I can just right click on the backgrounds folder and hit create a background. And of course you can give it a name, and you can choose to load the background from a folder that includes some graphics. I'm going to switch to the thumbnail view so we can actually see examples of the different graphics that came with the tutorial program. And in the actual tutorial that comes in the GameMaker help system, I think it suggests using the wood background that we just selected. Let's hit OK. And now going back to our base room, down toward the middle of the column on the left, there's an option for changing the background. It says no background right now. We'll click there and then choose the background 0, or background 1 I mean, and you should see the wooden image appear. One final tweak: if you've created a game you want to share with your friends, normally if you're just saving it with the save or save as command, it saves it as a GameMaker file type. But let's say the people, your friends, don't have GameMaker. What you can do is create an executable, and what it will do is create an exe file of your game that's a standalone file that doesn't require the GameMaker program to be loaded in order to play the game. I realized I said the last tweak was the final tweak, but one more final tweak. If you double click on the game information listed in the left column of your GameMaker program, you can actually type in things that could be like a help screen or just a credits screen. In this case I'm just going to make it a credits screen. But if you wanted to add some help here, you can do that at this point. Then we'll click on the little check mark. Now when you run the game, you should be able to press the F1 key to display the help screen or the credits screen. Hopefully this first tutorial has been a good resource and helped getting you started in creating games using GameMaker.